Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Jeremy Sutton. So, this morning, our church is on fire. Been my church home for almost 10 years now. Monica and I have been married 9. I started going to church with her probably 6 months before we got married. Woke up this morning and Monica's supposed to be there with the kids for Mom Life Ministry. Jack has preschool, and told don't come to the church, it's on fire. And so pull up Facebook, and of course still watch the live video of the church right now. It looks like they have the fire out, hopefully, and it's just smoking, but it's really sad. So kind of puts a damper on the day, but the awesome thing is just to see the outpouring of support and people commenting and that they're praying, and listen to Pastor Brad talk about how people have already called and texted and said, hey, we're here to help in any way we can. We'll rebuild the church, and the church is not the building, it's the people. And so anyway, it's just kind of sad to look at that this morning and see the church on fire, where you go every Sunday and worship God, and where your kids have grown up and all that. And so kind of stinks, but here we are. We all have to move on. We all have to keep working and keep doing things. And so today we'll be doing a little work up here in the big town of Vivian. It is sad that the church is on fire, but also thankful that nobody's there. Thankful that everybody's staying safe that's working on it. Super thankful for the firemen and the police that are taking care of it. So it's funny, I don't really ever run out of words to say, but I don't have a whole lot to say this morning about it. But just like I said, just thankful that we have a church family to lean on, and I know the community will support the church, and it'll be rebuilt, and no issues there. But still sad to see it burning, and know that your kids can't go today, and I know a lot of people lost daycare, and there's jobs and things like that, and it's just really, it just stinks. So God is definitely good and faithful, and there will be a lot of good things that come out of it. I know Colleen, and for sure. So thanks for folks reaching out and praying. But guys, I hope everybody has an awesome Monday, and we'll be hanging out here in the old physical therapy clinic, doing a few stretches with people today and trying to make people laugh again. And it's awesome day to be alive, and man, I really cannot lie when I don't feel good, can I? So anyway, guys, I love y'all. Hope y'all have an amazing day. Tomorrow will be a better video. Later.